This is a 1962 Triumph TR4, and it marks the next generation of Triumphs. This is a style with the assistance of Giovanni Michelotti. A little bit wider track, rack and pinion steering now, wrap-around bumpers. Very nice interior. The owner tells me he found this car in Delaware and completely redid it. "130 cubic inch engine, 105 horsepower. Really nice job in restoration. The neatly painted valve cover there. The owner told me that he has a hobby of restoring these Triumphs and is experienced in finding parts and so on, and so it's great to have that kind of knowledge.